All right, guys, weekly stimulus for the week of January 20th. Like and subscribe to our page so you can get our weekly stimuluses every single week. Monday, back squat week number 4, 5x4. This is where we want to get a little heavier. So you guys that are have a 1 rep max, you're thinking 75% or heavier. If you don't have a 1 rep max and you were here the previous week, we want to go heavier than last week or the last time you squatted. And again, if you guys have no idea what weights you should be using, talk to your coach about finding a challenging weight to use for 4 reps. All right. 5 rounds for time is our conditioning. It's 10 shuttle runs. It's 8 dumbbell snatch on the right. It's 8 dumbbell snatch on the left. It's 4 wall walk, and then 5 rounds. You guys that have a large class, which could be the case since we didn't have our morning classes today, consider putting people half on one side of the white line, half on the other. So when they should run the shuttle runs, all right, they're on opposite sides doing their dumbbell snatches. And again, that is 5 rounds for time. You can scale the wall walk to halfway. Tuesday's a 3-minute AMRAP with a 3-minute rest. It has a buy-in. 15 row, 10 burpee over the rower, 15 wall ball, time remaining double unders. And then it switches. It goes 50 double unders, 15 row, 10 burpee over the bar, time remaining wall ball. So basically the buy-in is always 3 movements and the time remaining switches. That goes on for the next round, which is wall ball, double under, row, time remaining burpee, wall ball, double under, time remaining row. And then after the final 3-minute rest, you're going to do 4 times all the buy-in requirements. So 15, 10 row, 10 burpee over the rower, 15 wall ball, 50 double under, time. Coaches, make a longer warm-up on this one because this is about, it's a little short on time. So maybe an extra 2 minutes on the warm-up would be a good thing. All right. Wednesday's an every 2-minute times 7. You have to get all of this work done in 2 minutes. Okay. So 3 touch and go power cleans plus 1 push press, drop the bar. 2 touch and go power cleans plus a push jerk, drop the bar. 1 power clean and split jerk, drop the bar, make a weight change, and then do it again 6 more times. All right. Start light, work up to something, a weight that's challenging for you. All right. This is an open tester. It's like a baby open workout. It's 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. It's 63 thrusters. It's 63 burpees. Use a weight you feel comfortable with. 95, 65 are the RX weights or the weights that you will see in open. But keep in mind, it is a lot of thrusters. I realize we're doing burpee back-to-back days. You'll be fine. All right. Thursday is a sprint Tabata. So Tabata is 20 seconds of work with a 10-second break. But how we're going to do this is we're going to go right down the line. You're not going to stay at the same movement. So you're going to row for 20 seconds, get a 10-second break. You're going to bench press for 20 seconds, get a 10-second break. Rope climb, break. Ski, break. Air squat, break. Box jump, break. Coaches, run the Tabata clock, okay? So how this works is after they get through the 6th movement, after they get through the box jump or whatever movement that they're on, because you're probably going to have to spread them out into movements. But once they get through all 6 movements, they get a 10-second break that they normally get after the 20 seconds. You're going to then run a working 20-second, a resting 10, a working 20, a resting 10, and then they start back up again. So it's 1 minute and 10 seconds of rest, and then they do the next round. It's 4 minutes each round and 4 minutes and 10 seconds for each round, all right? So row, rest, bench, rest, rope, rest, ski, rest, squat, rest, jump, rest, 1 minute and 10 seconds, and then do it again, all right? Again, obviously we only have 3 skiers, and it's way easier to just set up 3 ropes and 3 or 4 boxes, depending, on people that want the safety boxes. You can put a couple extra out, but that's exactly how you'll run through this workout. Coaches, you have any questions about this, let me know. It should be pretty straightforward, okay? All right, Friday. Friday is 5 rounds for time, okay? So you're going to do 6 hang power snatches, 6 overhead squats. If you have people in your class that don't feel comfortable snatching, all right, you could have them hang power clean and front squat instead. Then they do 30 double unders, okay? Once they're done with that round, they rest 1 minute. Then they do a round number 2, and then 3, and all the way to 5. After their 5th round, they get a 1 minute rest, and then they go immediately into 12 Marcus, get down.
Marcus, come here.
Marcus! Welcome to the morning over here at the LaSala house, okay? But after they do the 5th round of the hang power snatch, overhead squat, and double under, they only get 1 minute, all right? Then they go into a 5 rounds for time. 12 deadlift, 24 pistols, alternating, or 30 air squat, 30 double unders. Then they rest a minute. There's no additional rest between the 2 5 round for time workouts. So they're obviously, it's going to take them more time to make the weight changes on their barbell than a minute. I mean, maybe some people are really quick or they're not making much of a weight change, but the case is that whatever, after a minute, if they go longer than a minute, that's fine. That's just on them. But then they do their 5 rounds for time. Deadlift, pistol, double under, rest 1 minute. So they always get a minute rest after each round that they complete. All right? All right, Saturday. Saturday is Fight Gone Worse, okay? All right, so I like this workout. What I decided to do with it, I'm a big fan of Fight Gone Bad, but the one movement I hate in Fight Gone Bad is sumo deadlift high pull. I'm probably not the only person who would say that. But, so I got rid of the sumo deadlift high pull on Fight Gone Bad, and I substituted it with the assault bike, all right? So, instead of Fight Gone Bad, Fight Gone Worse. 5 rounds. Row, wall ball, max rep, 1 minute. Row, wall ball, box jump over, push press, and bike. Rest 3 minutes between the round. It's a nice break, okay? All right, but 5 rounds of that. Sunday's a partner workout. It's 3 9-minute AMRAPs. They're couplets, row double under. Well, not couplets. Not all of them are couplets. All right. The second one's a triplet. Bike, hang, dumbbell, hang clean, and press. Dumbbell box step ups. And then the last AMRAP is 9 minutes with 4 shuttle runs and 8 handstand push-ups or 4 wall walks. That is our week. Good talk.